What's up, Chiliz Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Just watch this video, just watch and never miss any second of this video, my friends. If you are a holder, so this is very important, my friends. First of all, in this video I will show you the latest update, and after that we discuss the next move, the next target of Chiliz. But please, before starting this interesting video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. The currently price of the Chiliz in the market at this time live is 0.2700001 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Chiliz, and the BTC price is very low. You can see here, and here is a BTC price, and the market cap is here. 24 hours trading volume is here. Available supply, total supply is here, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price changes. Oh my godness, the Chiliz is also going wrong, my friends, from yesterday. You know what, from yesterday the price fast down, continue, and the Chiliz, and still Chiliz fast down, fast down. Only the last 1 weekend price change is positive, except after the last 1 weekend the whole changes occurred in the Chiliz is going wrong, my friends. Completely fast down occurred in the Chiliz from the yesterday, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Chiliz. From the price chart you can easily understand, my friends. That is a temporary false. That is a temporary false. Now at this time it's a pumping time, not a falling down, but this is just a temporary false. After some period of time, after a few hours, the price will again start pumping. Don't be lose hope and don't be disappointed from a Chiliz, my friends. Chiliz is a good coin. In my prediction is positive about Chiliz. I believe that they will take a huge pump in the end of this month. That is why I recommend for everyone to hold Chiliz to the end of this month, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates video.